way when I was young. You sat beside me, my only son. Listen closely to what I say. And if you do this, it'll help you some sunny day. Well, take your time. Don't live too fast. Troubles will come. They will pass. We'll find a woman. You'll find love. Don't forget, son, there is someone up above. And be a simple kind of man.
starting fast enough, and now it's just, I don't even have to put the net away. It's a beautiful day.
We'll be able to go to breakfast.
There you go.
Kids won't even know. I know.
Maybe a week.
Kids tell me caught the women go to do say.
I've been around for you, been up and down for you, but I just can't get any relief. I've swallowed my pride for you, lived a life for you, but you still make me feel like a thief. You got me stealing your love away, 'cause you never give it. Peeling the years away, and we can't relive it. Oh, I make you laugh, and you make me cry. I believe it's time for me to fly.
Real walk forward.
You said we'd work it out. You said that you had no doubt that deep down we were really in love. Oh, but I'm tired of holding on to a feeling I know is gone. I do believe that I've had enough. I've had enough of the falseness of a worn-out relation. Enough of the jealousy and the intoleration. Oh, I make you laugh, and you make me cry. I believe it's time for me to fly. Time for me to fly. Oh, I got to set myself free. Time for me to fly. Now that's just how it's got to be. I know it hurts to say goodbye, but it's time for me to fly.
Win the big fish pool today. Sun's shining on you nice too.
This is for all you sophisticated ladies out there. She grew up in the city in a little subdivision. Her daddy wore a tie, mama never fried a chicken. Ballet, straight A's, most likely to succeed. They bought her a car after graduation, sent her down south for some higher education, put her on a fast track to a law degree. Now she's coming home to visit, holding the hand of a wild-eyed boy with a farmer's tan. And she's riding in the middle of his pickup truck, blaring Charlie Daniels, yelling, "Turn it up." mamas and daddies want better for their daughters. Hope they'll settle down with a doctor or a lawyer, and their uptown ball gown hand-me-down royalty. They never understand why their princess falls for some camouflage breeches and a southern boy drawl, or why she's riding in the middle of a pickup truck, blaring Hank Jr., yelling turn it up. They raised her up a lady, but there's one thing they couldn't avoid: ladies love country boys. Oh, get country with it now. You can train them, you can try to teach them right from wrong, but it's still gonna turn them on when they go riding in the middle of a pickup truck, blaring Leonard Skinner, yelling. You can raise her up a lady, but there's one thing you just can't avoid: ladies love country boys. They love us country boys, yeah. They can't stand it. It's that country thing.